Oh.
Let's put the piggy back. What is that?
Goat.
A goat?
Yes. No, goat. Go eat air. Go eat air.
Is that where the goat lives?
Uh-huh.
John Paul goes together.
What else lives on the farm?
Giraffe.
A giraffe lives on the farm?
Yeah.
Wow. Where's the giraffe?
Right here.
Oh, and what's the giraffe do on the farm? He goes to see the piggy? What's he going to say to the piggy? You want the sippy? Oh, he's thirsty. What's the dinosaur say? He wants food? You think he's going to eat the piggy?
No, it wants eat. No, this don't eat piggy.
Oh, what does a dinosaur eat?
Bones.
What does he eat?
Eat bones.
He eats bones?
Yeah.
Wow, look at their shoes. They're really cool. They got like a